Well, hi guys. So in this video, we're going to show you how to replace drywall the fastest and easiest way. So if you want to know how, keep watching this video. All right guys, so we're going to be filling up this hole right over here. So we are doing drywall repair, like I said, and let's just talk about our supplies over here. So this right here is drywall mud, and it dries really quick. It says sets in 5 minutes. We have a sponge right here. Purple paper is sandpaper. 220 drywall knife, and then we have a drywall pan, and this is mesh tape. This is spackling. Please don't tell me that my hands are dry and ashy in the comments, please, because I already know. Been working all day in this office. Okay, so we have that. So this is wall texture orange peel, okay? The sticky side goes to the wall. Does it have to cover up the whole hole or no?
No, it's good.
Yes.
Every one of these outlets are broken. Alright, Mesa.
God gave you 2 hands, you better use it.
I'm stuck between the wall. Trying to do this on camera.
So you gotta mix it really good, that's what we're doing. Put some more?
Gotta build it up.
So it's actually going in the hole? Or no?
Alright, now take all that stuff off the wall. Now wipe it on the blue pan. There you go. Alright, now put more over just the tape.
Just the tape?
But a lot. So you can build it up and hide that tape. Turn your knife more of an angle.
Okay.
Oh, like that. Yep.
You doing more?
Yep. Cover that tape up. There you go. That's what I want to see right there. I just pulled it all off. Why are you pulling it off?
Oh, just, oh.
Leave it there to dry.
Oh, okay. Like this?
Yep. Don't hit that baseboard.
You're going to use a wet sponge to wipe off the excess. About 3 to 5 minutes later.
One more comb, it'll be good. Turn it upside down and shake it.
Shake what your mama gave you. Alright guys, so as you guys probably noticed, we did 2 coats of the drywall mud. So you can see, you can't see any of the outline of the mesh tape. Alright, so as you guys can see, the wall is pretty flat as well. So what we did, we used this technique, which is wet sanding, or you can let it completely dry and do the paper sanding as well. But we did pretty good, so we don't have to use the paper sand. So now we're going to go ahead and use the wall texture, and you have to be at least 1.5 feet away, and then you just spray in a circular motion. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to fill the little nail holes. You're just going to do this and then do that. And I'm doing that so that way it's nice and flat. And when we paint over it, you won't see like any raised areas. So I'm going to just use a small little piece to fill in that hole. A little too much. And then wipe off the excess, and that's it. All right guys, so the drywall is pretty much done. All we have to do is paint the area, and that is it. So I'm just gonna paint it. And that's that. Mission accomplished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.